So here's a 10-day update from transplant to the hydroponic system. Everything's doing good. The only ones I added was a Chicago pickling and Adam F1 Gurkha cucumber. I started this on January 20th, and same thing with that one over there I added. But all the plants are doing extremely well. All the roots are doing really good. This is the Piccolino. The roots are doing really well. This is a General Lee. This is a Northern pickling. Excelsior. And then this was the Botanicare grow. To compare the two, these are the same plant. I had some plants that were doing better than the others from seedlings. I'm just going to compare the two here. These are the same plants. And they're fairly the same. This is all in a 10-day period also, both. So here's another, these are the Northern pickling. Those are two General Lees. Two General Lees. And then we'll do the two Piccolinos. Seems right now the bigger root mass is on the Botanicare. Alright, I'm going to show the root system. And here's a root system on the other system. Alright, I got the TDS set to 660 parts per million on both grow beds. pH is now adjusted to 6.4 after the nutrient. And this is where I got the lights set up at. This is the Spectrum King 400 plus 120 degree reflector. And we'll see. I'll follow up in another few days or another week, and we'll see how the plants do.